No. Casey. Do you know what it's looking like? Do you know what I'm looking Vi missar det lite i gruppen där borta, men vi har det. Vi är 2 stycken. We are viewers.
Yeah, put it on.
Wait, 0.5. 0.5. Okay, thank you. Continue. Oh my God.
Can you introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Joseph Conway. I'm a recent graduate from Purdue University, and thanks to the Benjamin A. Gilman Scholarship, I spent my last year in Bergen, Norway. And I suppose I must say before I begin, if I had my way with things, I would leave these images for you, wordless, so as to not spoil them with my words, but for them to be felt.
It's been a sensation and affect that we have.
Yeah.
That has been felt by many, over many times. We've given it a name, and then we start using the words for this affect or sensation without feeling it.
But that is indeed not how we communicate. So I will share my story with you. But no, this is very real to me, as it could be for you. This story starts like any other. Slowly, and then all of a sudden. For one silent week after I arrived in Bergen, there was a great anticipation. It was an ignorant anticipation, not knowing what it was anticipating. Then, overnight, I found myself dropped into a community which brought both great adventure and lessons. That is, community is what gives a place color. It is what defined my semesters, and it also changes the definition of home.
Where sometimes those problems.
No, that's not how it works.
What's it called in the medieval times when they did the thingy to people?
Torture?
Yeah.
What about it?
Torturing matter.
But I
You
like
have the
it.
evidence.
In terms of like work for specific ones, I'm not too sure because there's not a whole lot we can do to prevent that. Some
Chicken?
Yes, chicken. No, this is just my side chicken.
I try and go one layer at a time this time.
Gonna save the cheese for the last.
Yeah, obviously.
You're eating lasagna by layers? Pretty. Because you need to box chopsticks, so it's impossible to.
It's impossible.
Impossible, sorry. With a stick? You're eating lasagna with those sticks?
Yes, with the stick.
In this patchwork family, as we began to be known as, there were tattoo artists, and rock climbers, and bakers, and the quiet but witty types, chess masters, and those that enjoyed the simplicity of walking and looking. We appreciated all of the differences, for we hadn't a lot of time to be picky.
He's Bjorn. That's so cool.
It was the last of these that I felt I learned the most from. Just looking.
No, because it's like. No, if it's
Is there more yellow or is
No, it doesn't mean
which one?
but it comes from there.
Like vaginas.
There you go.
I don't know how much there is, so I will first
Was this yours? You want this one more also?
I want this for the other one too.
Good is not that perfect.
No, I think it's too shallow. The soup's good.
Ready, try it.
Yes.
There we go. Should I?
And some water. And
Cooking with Friday.
Again. I love you. Never lose me.
Woohoo! 3, 2, 1, go. We're the champions.
I mean, it's better than that's opposed to
Amazing.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Yes.
need a potato.
Yeah.
Potato.
Ready? We need to go lower.
Cute!
You missed! Just went up my shirt!
See it? We're having a fight again.
I'm always going to that hill that you always see on the news.
We love that one. Are you there? Turn on your phone. Salad and cheese. The cheese is for the heart, the salad is for everything else. I need vegetables.
No, he's not. By chance, Joe, come here!
Yeah, I'm coming.
Okay, that's good.
I wonder what that present is.
I think it's bye.
Is it a puppy? Gaia!
It's time for pie.
Time for pie!
Pie time! Oh yeah, group hug first. Yeah. Oh yeah, this one is mango ether flavoured, and then this one is coffee flavoured. Yeah, I found the recipe.
Are you serious? Jack,
Yeah.
that is creative, man.
Cheers.
Holy shit. Alright, well, who wants to have some cake?
Good cheese. Over there. Good cheese.
Doner kebab.
Cheese.
These were good times, stuffed full with various and sometimes frivolous times. And no wonder, it was the shortness of the semester that burned this candle so bright. We found every festival, pop-up shop, hike, new study spot, or just an excuse to be together. And no wonder. The end of the semester meant the end of Norway. Except, not for me. Eventually, the semester left, and so did all of my friends. I now knew my home city very well, with plenty of memories within it, but now I had not a friend. A good bit of my time was spent in silence, walking around in what daylight I was given until the next semester began. No aim, no community. My stomach turned with grief. And boredom. Well, boredom. But now, as I had just learned to, my eyes aimed less and saw more. And what I saw, I could be grateful for. Just for what it was.
Yeah, I like it so much. Thank you.
It felt like this time was the slowest moving time. The time I felt that nothing was changing. But it became clear that this was the time that caused the biggest change. I mean, I guess that's the point of winter. For things to be dormant or dead. For things to recycle, all in preparation for the new year. And that made it a really good time to think.
Break.
Indeed, this was an interesting time. Bergen is known as the rainiest city in Europe, and it made sure to earn that title again. Although confusions and questions filled this dark winter, so did a certain satisfaction. Satisfaction to the commitment I had made to being here, and the adventure that it had brought, and continues to bring.
Ja, Mike, tror jeg. Mike. Han var jo veldig depressiv. Ja. Jeg fikk opp med det fra vår hva heter det? Når du liker om du er litt helt feil
Oh my god!
That's so cool.
That is sick, what the hell?
Wait, I want to take a picture.
God damn!
Yeah, oh my god.
That's crazy.
I want to take the
What does this mean? Det var det ingen som.
It was then that something had switched. Something had really changed. And this is where I felt the irony come for the first time. This is where I had gotten off and gotten back on, leaving my old expectations to allow for the semester to bring something anew. I now had a fresh perspective about the whole situation, beyond my expectations and what I thought this would be like. Bergen is not the usual vacation spot, and it is certainly not a comfortable place for more than half the year. It is bleak and it's harsh. And even then, these friends that I made, how fortunate am I? These friends prioritize sincere relationships and memories. And the irony holds it that this was maybe not the usual exchange experience, but it was the usual human experience.
Hello, Joe. I'm sitting here in my little rebuilt fisher cabin in Ballstad in Lofoten. All the light is coming from 2 candles in front of me, and I just wanted to share some thoughts, and I'm basing it on some a quote from the book that I'm reading, which is Min Kamp, My Battle by Karl Ove Knausgård.
Get in tuning, man.
Hold up. But now I'm just gonna read. It's gonna take some minutes, so sit back. Hope you're well. Hope you're relaxed. I hope this sounds okay. Alright, I'll start reading. In the best Norwegian that I can produce. Kunsten har blivit en uoperert seng, noen kopimaskiner i et rom, en motorsykkel i et tak, og kunsten har blitt publikum selv. Måten de reagerer på, det avisene skriver om den, kunstneren som spiller. Slik det. Kunsten har ikke noe utenfor, vitenskapen har ikke noe utenfor, religionen har ikke noe utenfor. For verden sluttet om seg selv, sluttet om oss, og det finnes ikke lenger noen vei ut av den. De som i denne situasjonen råper på mer ånd, mer åndelighet, har ikke forstått noen ting. For det som problemet at det åndelige har overtatt det hele. Alt har blitt ånd, selv kroppene våre. De ikke kropper lenger, men ideer om kropper. Noe som befinner seg i himmelen, av bilder og forestillinger i oss og over oss. Hvor en stadig større del av våre liv blir levd. Grensene mot det som ikke taler til oss, det ubegripelige, har blitt opphevet. Vi forstår alt, og det gjør vi fordi vi har gjort alt om til oss selv. Typisk nok har alle de som har beskjeftiget seg med det nøytrale, det negative, det ikke-menneskelige i kunsten, i vår tid vendt seg mot språket. Det der det uforståelige og fremmede har blitt søkt, som om det var i randsonen av selve det menneskeliges uttrykkssett det befant seg, altså i utkanten av det vi forstår, og det jo egentlig logisk. Hvor ellers skulle det finnes i en verden som ikke lenger anerkjenner det som utenfor den? Det i dette lyset man må se den underlige tvetydige rollen døden har inntatt. På den ene siden den alleveiende. Vi overflommes av nyheter om døde, bilder av døde. For døden i dette henseende finnes det ingen grenser. Den massiv, allesteds nærværende, utømmelig. Men det døden som forestilling, døden uten kropp, døden som tanke og bilde, døden som ånd. Denne døden det samme som navnets død. Det kroppsløse man refererer til når man anvender et dødt menneskets navn. For mens navnet, når mennesket lever, refererer til kroppen hvor den oppholder seg, hva den gjør, skiller navnet lag fra kroppen når den dør, og blir værende igjen hos de levende, som med navnet alltid mener den han var, aldri den han nå. En kropp som ligger og råtner et sted. Denne delen av døden, den som tilhører kroppen og konkret, fysisk materiell, den døden holdes skjult mot en omhyggelighet så stor at den ligner en slags frenesi, og det virker bare hør hvordan mennesker som uforvarende har vært øyenvitner til dødsulykker eller drap, pleier å ordlegge seg. De sier alltid den samme. Det var helt uvirkelig, selv om det de mener det motsatte. Det var så virkelig. Men den virkeligheten lever vi ikke lenger i. For oss har alt blitt snudd på hodet. For oss det virkelige uvirkelig, og det uvirkelige virkelig. Og døden det siste store utenfor. Det er derfor den må holdes skjult. Farvel er døren utenfor navnet og utenfor livet, men den er ikke utenfor verden.
Whoops. Holy shit.
Alright. This is what it was. Really? I had done it. And not only had I done it, but I knew that I had done it while I was doing it. And not only that, but I knew that I knew. Although I have seen Trolltunga in Lofoten, in the fjords, and Bryggen, the things that really made an impact on me were accidentally broken plates, chocolate croissants, a cute orange tram, a boat with more duct tape than boat, sharing cheese and bread on a snack break, singing in Norwegian, having a grocery store in walking distance, the ritual of ocean swims despite the time of the year, hearing church bells and boat horns from inside my house, and walks around the pond just to pass the time. It was the crash pads that I had to sit on in the bus and adjust every time old Norwegians got off and new Norwegians got on. It was the weekday hikes when the sun came out, and swimming in the water that the sun had not yet warmed. It was spending time on a cliffside overlooking the harbor. I cannot recommend that you go on exchange. Only you can. It's not really my place to tell you whether or not this is a good experience for you. But if you would like to do it, the resources are there for you to make it a reality. This was indeed a significant experience for me personally. And that is all I really want to share. The nature of a mountain depends on who you're talking to. For one, say a biologist, it's the ecosystem that has learned to adapt to the certain conditions of the mountain. To a geologist, it is the cliffs and the edges, and the rocks which hold the secrets of its past. To a couple, it's the location of one of their significant dates. A nearby dweller calls it its home, and a young traveler remembers it as the place where he almost perished, became one with the mountain, but left reborn. When it comes to study abroad, you cannot generalize the experience per se, but it will differ based on who you're talking to. And for me, I found meaning in it. It slowed my pace down, for my eyes to better adjust to the ordinary, and to be grateful for those things. It helped me see the art of communication, and the purpose of commitment, and the near infinite depth of sincere human connection. I would be naive to say that I'm not romanticizing it, because it does feel a lot like a dream. But the impact that it had on me is very real. It was not the grand experiences which changed me, but the entirely ordinary ones. And I suppose that's what goes untalked about after an experience like this. And it's no wonder that all of my friends have had a hard time adjusting back home.
Welcome to the palace. The diet is...
Oh boy, is this chicken delicious. Super spicy and sexy. Making me go quack, quack, quack. Oi, 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 oi. Chicken, 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 chicken. Chicken, chicken, chicken.
I hope that they're producing electricity and not using electricity. But you never know with these Norwegians. Most likely they're producing some kind of electricity.
Joe, can you make a photo, please?
Ha det bra. Jag hoppas att du har det gott. Kom ihåg alltid jag är glad i dig. Ha det fint, kompis.
He's gonna count.
3, 2, 1. Oh my god! I got it.
Yeah, it's everywhere. And he's not sure.
Yeah, I had to sit down.
Oh, that hurt my bum so bad.
You know, your eyebrow. It's more scary when it's like I can hit